How to fix YouTube cannot subscribe. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if you're having issues subscribing to a YouTube channel within its platform, in today's video let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to know is that you only have 2000 subscription limit. So if you have already subscribed to 2000 channels, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Also, if you try to subscribe to many channels all at once or multiple channels all at once, this may also cause this issue. So make sure you sort that out first of all. If this is not the case for you, the other thing that you need to check or do is clear out the app cache as well as update the application. So what you need to simply do is tap and hold the YouTube app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache. Once you complete this step, head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for YouTube and make sure you update the application. Once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this error. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.